Hi there, my name is Tom Drijver and I'm going to play against Bas, my brother and professional bridge player. So let's see if we can beat him. I'm going to show the last two boards. The first three were not really interesting. Only 5 won in imp, so let's see what board 4 brings us. 1 diamond, 2 clubs. An overcall from partner. We have 12 points, very nice hand. So we can see what to bid. Now, I feel something for Donald Trump. Let's see if what it means. And here we will just bid 3 now. I don't feel like giving some invitational bid or something. We have a good hand. Here we're counting tricks. I count 3 tricks in spades, lots in clubs and 1 heart. So if the clubs are okay, we count 7 clubs in dummy, so you should play safe here. And the safety play is to start with a small club. So when the jack is third here or the jack is third in east, doesn't matter, we always have the tricks. Okay, king of spades first, because otherwise I won't be able to make the ace, of course, so not too hard. And maybe I will try to claim here, because we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tricks, and I will try to claim. So we will make 11, yeah. Of course, it's the same, still 5-1, so important one coming up. We have 17 points with a singleton in hearts, so I will have to open 1 diamond. Partner says 1 spade, so we bid 3 clubs. Three no will be the final contract. Now let's count some tricks. Oh, he hasn't got many. This is no easy laydown. We make 2 hard tricks. We can develop 4 diamonds or 4 clubs, so let's see if they will play a small one first. Yeah, okay, that's 1. They stop ducking, of course. This one is doomed to fail. So let's see what my brother plays in. What contract? I'll lose this one. The only thing I can do is play clubs. Cash a few tricks. Okay. Okay. This might be the last trick that I'm making. I'll just play diamonds. Now he can collect his hearts. Lose a spade here. And another one. The hearts are friendly, so we're going to make one more trick. So let's see what Boss did play. Where the Boss driver did end. He did better. He did with 2 clubs because it's 5-4. So he did well. We have to congratulate him. Yeah, this is of course better. Yeah, I was too enthusiastic with three clubs, and it was punished. So, but we will of course challenge him again. Let's see if this works. Challenge Boss again. So we will try to win. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and I hope for a win next time. Bye.